Dear viewers, very warm welcome to you in Ashraf Botanical Garden. Viewers, in my today's video, I have to show you the procedure I have done today. Viewers, I have done the monthly cleaning of the shed or aviary. And you can see that now everywhere you can see that it's clean and hygienic. And I have added different types of foods for them. Here you can see that these are the pieces of roti or paratha crumbed and soaked in water. And you can also see that water, fresh water, clean pot, clean utensils, and I have added several places the millets. You can see the millet grains, and I have here you can see here that there is sand for the purpose of if some bird want to bath in sand or water, especially the grouse family where the quails like to bath in the mud or dry soil. You can see that I have also added this, and there are the quails. Now they are waiting for me to leave the shed or aviary. So, and here you can see that there are baby parrots inside the cage. Mashallah, viewers, the birds are there are a lot of birds now, and you can see the number of birds are increased. You can see that it is the summer season and most of the birds are out of the cage. Now then here you can see that here on this side there are so many parrots. So many Australian parrots, parakeets, harlequins, budgerigar, red-eyed, all of them mixed. Viewers, I have added today another thing. I want to show you that I have added a dry branch in order to give them a home like the jungle or home like feeling. So I have added also this dry branch in the aviary. Here you can see that there are millets as well, and these are all the baby parrots which are now grown up. You can see, and there are more baby parrots. Today I have separated. There are 3. So viewers, I'm sure you have enjoyed this video, and you have to, viewers, clean your parrot shed or the aviary at least every monthly basis. Otherwise, viewers, the feeding procedure or the water change should be done on daily basis. So viewers, if you haven't subscribed Ashraf Botanical Garden, you can subscribe it now, and don't forget to press the bell button for earliest notification. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Stay blessed.